Up next in fourth place is the LESOVI Electric Bike Horn. This is how it sounds. Something a little different now, serving precisely the same function as a traditional bell. This high-volume yet mini-sized electric bike horn can reach 120 decibels, which is loud enough to alert anyone or even people in a vehicle to your presence. It's the perfect bicycle accessory for regular road cyclists or to ensure your kids stay safe on their way to school. Additionally, it is very durable, with all the electronic components protected by an IP65 level waterproof anti-dust and shatter-resistant shell. Instead of using a standard battery, you will find that this little horn is powered by a rechargeable battery. It can be used over 2,000 times with a single charge, which is enough to work for about 20 to 30 days. Plus, it can be quickly recharged via USB. Moreover, it's effortless to install and quickly release this unit. It is easily mounted and secured with stretchable straps. That means there are no tools needed. You can install or uninstall it on your bike handlebar within 20 seconds. Additionally, it provides a separate switch design. This means that the control switch and bike horn are separated. You can see the control switch right next to your thumb, enabling you to keep your hand still on the bar when you press it. This all helps keep cycling safe for you and other road or trail users. If you need a comprehensive unit to fully satisfy your outdoor cycling needs, this is the one to get. Its pros are, it's incredibly loud, so is sure to warn everyone. It has a robust build that will last, and it can be ergonomically fitted in just 20 seconds. However, there is no way to adjust the volume, which could be an issue for some. The LESOVI Electric Bike Horn is a surefire way to alert other road users to your presence at the touch of a button. Still haven't found a bike bell that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.